Hello everyone, let's see how we are making these cute cones by using bubble sheet. First we need to cut the bubble sheet according to this shape, and then we are painting it with yellow and mustard color, and then we are painting the leaves with dark green color, and then we are randomly drawing some spots of corns around there, and then it is ready. Next we are drawing some watermelon with green color. First we are making green color spots by using a sponge. After that we are giving it some detailing with dark green color, and also here we are making a cute watermelon slices with red color, and you can see after a little bit of detailing our cute scenery is ready. Next we are drawing a big watermelon with some paints. First we are drawing the body of the watermelon with red and green paint, and then we are just making check pattern like this, and then we are drawing the seeds of this watermelon with black color, and then we are drawing a pipe, and then we are drawing some ants around here, and you can see this is how we are making our cute watermelon scenery. And after detailing the background a bit more, our scenery is ready. Next we are drawing an orange tree. First we are drawing the branches of the tree with black paint. After that we are gonna make the orange from slightly yellow color, and you can see how we are doing it. After that make lots of orange, and then we are using real leaves to just give it a shape of these green leaves, and after that just add some more details to your oranges with some black marker, and you can see your orange tree is ready. Next we are making some pear shaped drawings. Here we are making lots of pears by using some sponge and making this shape. After that detail it a little bit with black marker and some white paint, and then just detail the background a bit more, and you can see it is ready. Next we are making a mushroom by using blue color, and then we are making the stem of this mushroom by using slightly skin color, and then we are detailing the mushroom with some white spots. After that we are making a ladybug upon there. After we are making the ladybug, then we are detailing the background with some grass using dark green and some more colors as you can see, and then we are drawing the sun, and then it is ready. Next we are drawing a SpongeBob themed house. For that we need to mix blue, white and yellow color for the background, and above that we are using mustard color for making the pineapple house. So SpongeBob shape house is in the shape of pineapple, that's why we are drawing the pineapple here, and then we are drawing the check patterns on this pineapple. After that we are giving details to the house like some windows and doors with grey color. After that we are detailing the background with yellow color as you can see, and we are pasting the SpongeBob cutout here. Thanks for watching.